In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver a Wix website to your client. Before you transfer anything, make sure the website is fully finished and ready to hand over. That means the design has been finalized. All content has been reviewed, and the correct premium plan is already connected if that's part of the project. Taking a moment to confirm everything now helps avoid confusion later, especially once ownership changes and the client takes full control of the site. Once you are ready, go to your Wix dashboard and locate the website you want to deliver. This is the main area where you manage your sites, so make sure you are selecting the correct one before moving forward. If you manage multiple websites, it's worth double-checking the site name so you don't accidentally transfer the wrong project. At the top of the page, click the Site Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots. This opens a menu with additional options for managing the site. From that menu, select Transfer Site. This is the option Wix provides when you are ready to pass ownership over to someone else. Next, enter the email address connected to your client's Wix account. It's very important that this email is entered correctly, because the transfer invitation will be sent there. If the address is wrong, the client may never receive the transfer request, and the process could be delayed. After that, indicate that you are transferring the site to a client. Then click Continue. Wix uses this step to understand the type of transfer you are making, and choosing the client option helps keep the process aligned with a standard handoff. You'll then be asked whether you want to remain on the site as a co-owner and whether you want to keep a copy of the website in your own account. Staying on as a co-owner can be helpful if you will continue providing updates or maintenance after delivery. Keeping a copy can also be useful for your records or as a backup reference. Once you've made those choices, click Continue. Check the confirmation box and then click Transfer Ownership. After that, the client will receive an email asking them to accept the transfer into their own Wix account. The transfer isn't fully complete until they accept it, so it's a good idea to let them know to watch for that email and complete the final step promptly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.